It's really low battery.
Charging this.
Yeah.
Low battery. Completed. Finished charging.
Okay. Then I think we have to connect our watch to a mobile by using Bluetooth connection, and we have to install one app. You have two options: either by using this QR code you can scan and download the Dafit app, or directly you can go to the Play Store and download it. So I think this app is available in both iOS and Android versions. So I can see here it shows like it supports to all Android versions above 4.4 and iOS 9.0. Yeah, I think this is the first step what you have to do. Tap to wake the screen, and if you scroll towards side you can see exercise, and if you scroll again you can see steps, and one more option will be there, it's a sleep. So if you scroll again it will come, oh god, yeah, if you scroll again it will come back to that clock screen. So basically if you scroll towards left or towards right, same 4 screen only will be coming. So to get the menu, what you have to do is like you can scroll down or up. So both option means scrolling up or down, both can able to navigate to the menu option. So in menu you can see in this first screen message, weather, shutter and set option you can see. Once again you scroll means you can see training, HR, BP and SPO2. So if you see one by one, messages is in the sense now you can see like it is empty. So whenever some messages are coming after connecting to Bluetooth, that will be shown over here. Yeah. Similarly, weather, if you are connected to the mobile, with the help of the data from the mobile, it will show the weather data here. And shutter, you can control the shutter of the mobile from the watch itself. Photos just now we have taken. Oh, 1 second. And training. In training we have different modes over here. You can see walk, running, cycling, skipping, badminton and basketball and football. So all these modes, different settings will be there. If you go to walk, if you start from here, the time will start. So whenever you are starting a walking or exercise or something, you have to switch on, so that it will track all your steps, blood pressure, kilometer and how much calorie burned. So once you are done with your exercise, you stop here and this data will be saved. So similarly you can check the blood pressure. So HR in the sense heart rate, and so this is BP. So BP also will be received in this option. And if you have to see the blood saturation, SpO2, you can click over here and it will show the saturation of oxygen in our blood. So it's 98. Similarly we have seen all these, right? Okay, and in set if you go, you can see whether to mute or change brightness or timer, switch, reset and power. To switch off the watch you have to use this power option, and to reset all the settings back to the factory settings you have to use this set option. And if you click to switch, it will come to this page. Here you can select the what type of interface, what type of display it should you should see at the start of the watch. Dafit. So this is the tab. So here you can see all the data from our watch will be transmitted to this application, so you can view it easily in this app. So this today morning only we have purchased, so this is the data for the day. And here you can see like now we have seen 4 different faces in the watch, right? Sorry, 3. So all these 3 options you can see here, and you can even download more faces over here. that we'll try later, maybe notification, alarm, shutter. So almost all the settings in the watch can be adjusted from here also. And in this page you can set the goal and profile need to be updated. So if you go to this option, you can see alarm coming here. So if you are setting the alarm in the Dafit app, notification or the reminder will come to your watch. Showing is like now the time is 10:36, right? We are trying to keep an alarm for 10:37. So alarm setting cannot be less than 2 minutes. So less than 2 minutes we can't able to set an alarm. What you have to do is like we have to go to 3 minutes. So 7:37 plus 3, 40. 10:40. We'll see any alarm. Yeah. Now this is set. 10:40 PM. Now we have to wait for 3 minutes and see whether alarm is coming or not.